Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by capturing the exact error and context so you can reproduce it. This matters. Once done, open your app's console and any log files, then run the app from a terminal to see the full stack. Make sure Node and the app versions match your expected environment and have a working backup. You'll also prepare minimal reproduction steps and a branch or copy to experiment on. This prevents accidental data loss while you iterate toward a fix. Now you trace the stack to the line in the main process and isolate the failing require or call. Use strategic console, log statements, or a debugger to confirm variable values and execution flow, and temporarily stub or comment out the suspect module to see if the crash stops. Once isolated, rebuild any native modules and run npm-sci to ensure clean installs. This fixes many binary mismatches. Make sure package lock is consistent and free of duplicate dependency versions to avoid subtle conflicts. You now implement the minimal tested change, whether it's a guard clause, corrected import path, or updated native binding, and run the app locally and through automated tests. Once green, build and run the packaged app on the target operating system and watch logs for regressions. If the crash remains, revert to your backup, create a minimal reproducible repository, and gather logs and steps to get focused help. Quick troubleshooting tip. Compare the working versus failing environment variables and binary versions first. They reveal many hidden discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.